It's a conference that deals with women, empowering women, and there's always an opportunity to refresh ourselves with the expertise of what Diane and her guests bring to the table. There is a wonderful set of speeches, and I was more than happy to come and to participate. And the nice thing is that I get to share the insights of this conference with my work colleagues, so I can spread the wealth.
Well, research has shown that diversity itself leads to better decision making. I also think from a justice perspective, we need to give everybody equal opportunity to similar positions, especially if we want to do so on the basis of merit.
The information will support me because I will look at my policy documents and really focus on building the argument for a business case and not necessarily building it on diversity because diversity is important. No, we can gain from the results of diversity and inclusion.
I learned that it's okay to just take the risk. All these women, one by one, were proof that you just have to go for it, give it a try, but be persistent. They were a mirror for me. I could recognize a lot of what I see in myself, and I felt inspired.
I thought I basically learned a lot about how I could position myself and grow as a person, and as a result of that, diversity could grow in the business. But if I look even further, I also learn to look at the perspective of men and, well, what does it do to them and what happens actually if the women step up? How can we help the entire organization to embrace it and to make it a success and use it to its maximum advantage?